That's a really important key driver in the market, I would say. The residential market in particular in Canada, they're using an approach for high-rise buildings, which has been a big driver for the market, where every single suite has its own piece of ventilation equipment instead of having one large ventilation equipment on the roof or doing it through a hallway and pressurizing the corridors. So with this approach, each suite in a condo building is getting its own dedicated supply of fresh air. This is a lot more healthier for the occupants of the building. It's a lot more energy efficient, and it's really a better building design. But we really see the market being code driven, with different jurisdictions around North America requiring different levels of energy recovery. A few examples of this would be the STEP code in BC. And what the STEP code does is set out a target for, I think it's 2030, where it's going to be net zero. And you have to meet different efficiency targets along that way. So there's step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. In Toronto, you have the Toronto Green Building Standard with, I think it's 4 different tiers. So you see different kind of permutations of this around North America, but the trend overall is towards tighter buildings, more energy efficiency, and we're increasingly seeing this codified. Canada has sort of led this approach, and we're increasingly seeing it more in the United States as well. A key piece of code is ASHRAE 90.1, which a lot of states have basically adopted that into their building code, and that requires at least 50% energy recovery. In some states, for different versions of ASHRAE 90.1, the newer iterations of it, they're actually requiring 60%. And then the scope of airflows that are covered under 90.1 has been steadily kind of increasing for some time now.